Hello and welcome back to Hands-On Equations. Today we're going to start the Introductory Verbal Problems workbook. We're going to do some problems together and then you're going to do some problems on your own. So let's read through this initial problem. We have Jane purchased 2 equally priced gifts for a total of $12. How much was each gift? So I'm going to highlight first the important information. So Jane purchased 2 equally priced gifts. So I'm going to say 2 equally priced gifts is important because this tells me I have 2, and this tells me that that each one of these has the same value. And there's a total of $12. I know the word total means I'm going to add things together. So I'm going to look at my last sentence, how much was each gift? The gift then is going to be what our pawn is. So let pawn be a gift. So we're going to set up on our scale, and we know that 2 equally priced gifts are going to be 2 of the same value. Well, we said that we're going to use pawn for a gift, so if we have 2 gifts, that's going to be 2 pawns. So I'm going to draw these on my balance. 2 pawns for a total of $12. Now I know we don't have a 12 cube, we would use a 10 and a 2, and that's fine. But I'm going to do this on here because as we work through these problems, we're going to get some larger numbers that we won't be able to put together with our pawns and cubes. So we set up with 2 pawns equals 12. So the solution for setup, well, if 2 pawns equals 12, how much does 1 pawn equal? So we can do our guess and check. 1 plus 1 is 2. That doesn't work. 2 plus 2 is 4. 3 plus 3 is 6. 4 plus 4 is 8, 5 plus 5 is 10, 6 plus 6 is 12. So our solution for setup is pawn equals 6. Now we're going to answer this in sentence format every time. So in this case, we have 1 gift is equal to 6. So I'm going to write each gift cost $6. Now we'll do our check. We're going to plug the $6 back in here, or the 6, and 6 plus 6 equals 12. So our check is 12 equals 12. I'm going to move down to problem number 2, and rather than highlighting this time, I'm going to underline my important information. It rained the same amount each day for 4 days in a row. Altogether, it rained 28 inches. How much did it rain each day? So let's read through this and pick out the important information. It rained the same amount each day for 4 days. Altogether, it rained 28 inches. Altogether means we're going to add. So whatever we have on the left side is going to add together to give us this 28 inches. Same amount for 4 days. So let pawn be the number of inches it rained each day. Apologize, I write pretty big. So I already said that we were going to have 28 on the right because it says all together it rained 28. But now, if I know that the pawn is going to be the number of inches it rained each day, for 4 days in a row. So let's let's use our pawn, and we have 4 days, so 1, 2, 3, 4, because we had 4 sets of how much it rained each day, and that equals 28. The solution for the setup, if we have 4 pawns and they equal 28, how much does one pawn worth? How much is one pawn worth? So we can do guess and check, or we can just do division. 28 divided by 4 is 7. And I could have counted 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 is 20. Count by 6s, 6, 12, 18, 24, and 7, 7, 14, 21, 28. So our solution for setup is 7. We're going to put our answer in sentence format. So each day, it rained 7 inches. So let's do our check. We plug in 7 for each pawn. 7, 14, 21, 28. Our check is 28 equals 28. That is a check. Okay, for this last problem, we're looking at 6 12-ounce bags of Annie's wild rice sold for $18. How much was each bag of rice? So I see the number 6. I see 12 ounces, but I'm not sure about that. And I see $18. So 6 12-ounce bags of Annie's wild rice sold for $18. How much was each bag of rice? So each bag of rice is what we're looking for. So let pawn be the cost of each bag of rice. So if we're looking for the cost, do we care about how many ounces are in that bag? No, we don't, because all we care about is the cost of each bag of rice. So we need to know how many bags of rice we started with. In this case, it's 6. So since pawn is the cost of each bag of rice, we need to put the pawns on here for how many bags of rice we have. We have 6 bags of rice, so we're going to put 6 pawns on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and that total was $18. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times what number is 18? Well, let's count by 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Not big enough. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. So when I plug in a 3, I got 18. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. So the answer in sentence format, look back at our what we said pawn would be. So the cost of each bag of rice is $3. So then we're going to do our check and plug our 3 in. Well, we've already been counting by 3s, but let's go ahead and do it one more time. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. And 18 is equal to 18. So that check is correct.